Hey everyone, welcome back to Tap Tech. If you're into aerial cinematic gear, you're going to want to stay tuned. Because today we're talking about something that could change the game. The rumored next-gen drone from DJI, the Avata 360. Yes, a drone that may give you full 360-degree capture and FPV flight in one package. Now I know what you're thinking, another DJI drone launch? But trust me, this one looks different. In fact, if the leaks are right, this could be the biggest step DJI has taken in years. And that means you, the creator, the pro filmmaker, the serious hobbyist, you're going to want to know what's coming. So let's get into it. First off, what is the Avata 360? From leaked images and insider tips, DJI appears to be preparing a drone that combines FPV flight performance, like the Avata series, with full 360-degree camera capture. That means instead of pointing your drone in one direction and hoping you captured the right angle, you could potentially record everything around you. Then you pick the best angle in post. That's huge. One big rumor, the Avata 360 may record in 8K resolution, full 360-degree 8K. Imagine the freedom. You don't worry about framing. You focus on flying, the moment, the environment, then later, you decide the angle. That opens up creative avenues few drones currently allow. Let's break down what we think this drone brings to the table, and why it matters for the premium creator market. Leaks show that the Avata 360 may carry forward DJI's signature design cues, protective guards, compact FPV-style body, goggles compatibility with DJI's ecosystem. One rumor suggests it might weigh under 250 g. If true, that under 250 g weight opens regulatory advantages in many regions, lower registration burdens. That's big for travelers, cinematic creators, global usage. Flight-wise, we expect DJI to include their updated transmission system, possibly OcuSync 4.0 or even O4+, thanks to imagery that shows the newer controllers and goggles. That means low latency, strong signal, better image quality in live view, crucial for FPV and immersive capture. This is the headline feature. The Avata 360 appears to be built around dual cameras or a rotating mechanism to handle full sphere capture up, down, all around. Leaks hint at twin 1.1-inch sensors, borrowed tech from DJI's Osmo 360 camera. In practical terms, you get pro-level sensor size, better low-light, higher dynamic range. For premium users that means better image quality, not just a gimmick. Also key, one leak says the camera may rotate or switch between full 360 capture and single-lens frontal capture mode. So you could fly like a normal drone, or capture immersive 360 footage. That versatility is rare. Because full 360 drones involve risk, flying while camera points in all directions, DJI appears to include multi-directional obstacle sensing. Front, side sensors, possibly LiDAR as reported. For premium creators flying complex scenes, city environments, people, vehicles, good sensing is non-negotiable. If DJI nails this, that's a major plus. Now, here's the part to be very clear about. These are leaks, not official specs. But the consistent rumor is, late 2025 release, possibly just before the holidays. Price tipped around $1,199 or equivalent in other markets. For premium country markets, US, UK, Canada, Australia, that price is in line with prosumer gear. More than casual hobbyists, but aimed at creators who demand quality. Also, for these markets, registration/weight rules matter. Under 250 g means easier deployment, less red tape. That's attractive for creators who travel or shoot in multiple regions. The 8K 360 capture means future-proofing, deliver for clients who demand immersive, high-res content, VR, immersive social, mapping. Obstacle sensing gives peace of mind for complex shoots. For premium users, those are major features. Because this is pre-launch, there are unknowns. Flight time? DJI hasn't confirmed official numbers. While we expect maybe 20 to 30 minutes, until DJI gives spec, we can't be certain. Also, payload, if any, modularity, actual weight under real-world conditions, real image quality, leaks hint high spec but real-world may vary. Availability in all countries, import/firmware differences for US versus other markets, these always matter. If you are a creator working now and need gear immediately, yes, you might still invest in current drones. But if your next big project is coming in 2026, and you'd love to get ahead with full 360 capture in FPV, then waiting for Avata 360 could make strategic sense. Especially if you shoot high-budget content, want immersive angles, VR/360 social, action sports, cinematic environments. Also, if you already own DJI's ecosystem, controllers, goggles, batteries, drone skill set, then transitioning to Avata 360 will be smoother. Imagine, you're filming a mountain bike rider, you launch the drone, it flies around, you capture full 360, the rider passes under branches, over terrain, later you pick the best framing. Or you're in an urban environment filming a car chase, or a sailing drone for water sports, or a travel film where you want immersive capture around a subject. In all those cases, a 360 drone means you never miss the angle. Also, for VR content or immersive experiences, think luxury real estate fly-through, immersive tourism, a drone capturing full sphere opens creative possibilities. When this launches, make sure you pair it with high-capacity SD cards or storage. 8K 360 footage eats tons of data. Ensure your editing rig, PC/Mac, is ready for large files. Plan your workflow. Also check local drone laws. Even if under 250G, some countries still require registration or pilot certification for commercial use. For US creators, Part 107 or sport drone rules may apply. Plan ahead. So there you have it. The DJI Avata 360, possibly one of the most exciting upcoming drones for premium market creators. Full 360 capture, FPV flight feel, high-spec sensors, advanced sensing and transmission. If DJI delivers, this will be a powerful tool in your arsenal. We'll keep a close eye on the official announcement from DJI. As soon as we know launch date, specs, pricing for your region, we'll update you. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button. Subscribe to Tap Tech and ring the bell so you don't miss our full review when it lands. Drop a comment. What would you do with a 360-degree drone? A travel shoot? An action sports film? Let us know. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking with us. You've been with us from the intro through to the end. That means you're serious about your craft. And that's exactly why you're here. I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, fly smart, shoot big, create boldly. From Tap Tech, take care.